Hi friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? It's Saturday and I'm just having some fun here. Got my housework done, my grocery shopping done. Went to an estate sale this morning, and so I am just coming to share with you my next project, which is going to be my design team project for Studio28E. And this is a digital kit in Sherry's Etsy shop called Cute Retro Vintage Halloween. So if you want to go over into her shop, she's got this kit, and you can download it yourself and print it out, and she also has it where she will print it out and mail it to you. So I won't delay. I wanted to just share you the beginnings here and how beautiful and cute these images are. They're so awesome. I just love this little kit. So these are the pages I've printed out. I've backed them all with, except for this one, which is going to probably be my cover, with coffee dyed paper. And there's a lot here in this kit. I'm thinking about making 2 journals with just these pages because there's so many pages here, and I want to maybe include some other pages, from other, I like to include scrapbook paper or some craft paper or, lined paper. So this might end up being 2 journals. But I had a comment from one of my subbies, and I wanted to explain real quick. As I flip through the pages, I'll explain so we won't just be sitting here looking at this one page. But this is the page I'm thinking about using for my cover, because wouldn't that be cute? Or actually, I was thinking about using this page. I could cut these out. I was thinking about cutting these out, fussy cutting, and possibly using some fabric or some craft colored, a paper bag or some burlap. I just have all kinds of things and ideas roaming around in my head right now for the cover, but this would also be a cute cover. So anyway, this is the first page I'm thinking about using as a cover, so I didn't back it with anything yet. So the question was, or the comment was, on one of my last design team projects, someone said, I think this is really awesome. I don't know what a design team project is, but this is really awesome. Love your journal. So I wanted to explain what a design team project is in case you didn't know. I know most people maybe know, but in case you don't know, why not let me explain it for a second here. This is the next page. Isn't it pretty with the orange? And it's got like a musical background here, music sheet background with the images on top. Just love these colors in here. Cute little images, an owl. Here's a little skeleton sitting over here. And here's my coffee dyed paper, like on the back of this one. And I'm going to do some sewing and maybe use some black lace and burlap. I don't know. Like I said, I have lots of ideas. So I'm just kind of developing it right now. I usually start with the cover, but I'm starting with the pages this time because I went ahead and printed out the kit. So I thought, well, let me just get the pages ready and see where I go. So anyway, what a design team project is what you have to do when you make journals, and the people that design the digital kits, they have them in their Etsy shop and things like that. And once in a while, they will put out a video, or what they call a call out video, or something like a message on their Facebook group for design team members, and they want people that design journals to use their kits and design a journal. So that's you kind of do a, you get a kit from their shop and you do a journal for them to kind of audition to be on their design team. And usually lots of times they'll have lots and lots of people auditioning, and then they go through and choose and narrow it down to a certain number that they're looking for, and choose in those people that they narrow it down to be on their design team. So when we say this is a design team project, that means we went through that. We went through that process. We auditioned, we got chosen and for their design team, and we are on their design team as long as they let us be. And so we design journals for them, and I think that, I put extra effort into all my journals and try to do the best I can, but when you're on a design team, you really want to do the best you can and put something out there that's really, you know, means something to the person that designed the kit. And of course, you know, I put them in my Etsy shop, so you really want to design something that's really, really nice and, you know, extra, you know, nice. So, and put a lot of thought and creativity into it. So that's what a design team project is. Hope that makes sense. But this green page I love has the has two little owls up here. It says Halloween, and two little blackbirds here. And this has little black pumpkins, or I guess they're almost charcoal gray, but really pretty page. And this is a very bold page, but very pretty, with the orange and black, of course, the Halloween colors here with the pumpkins and the black cat on the pumpkin. And then, so here is just black and brown. You can see a little design on the bottom here. And oh, on the back of this one, I put coffee dyed music paper, so that's a little different. I wanted to just do something besides, you know, give it a little variety besides just plain coffee dyed paper. So here's the next one. Here's the next one with the scarecrow. We've got a music sheet behind here. It says harvest time. This little looks like a little playing card here. Isn't that cute? With a pumpkin and a little like a toy on pumpkin toy on wheels, like a pumpkin wagon out, and some fall leaves, and there's a little black cat there. So cute. But that one has the music on the back too. Here's another one. So I'm super excited about this project. I can't just, I've been, you know, doing several things. This is avocado dyed. I do have some avocado dyed here too. This is avocado dyed. This is avocado dyed. I do all my own dyeing. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I've talked about doing coffee dyeing and avocado dyeing, and I do blue, I do pink with like food coloring, I do green. So I have several different colors that I keep handy of papers that I can use in my journals. But aren't these, you see how many pages there are here? Quite a lot. And then by the time I incorporate other pages from books and things, I'm going to have lots of paper here. So that's why I'm saying I might have to just go ahead and make 2 journals. But aren't these neat? So I've never made a Halloween journal before. I just haven't really done seasonal because I kind of just has shied away from them because I don't want, you know, I don't want to make seasonal and then I'm not selling my shop and then sit there for a whole year. You know what I mean? So if I make seasonal, I only make, like if I make this one, I'm going to make 2. Looks like I'm going to make 2 of this size. And then, you know, I kind of printed out the kit. This is one kit. So all of this is one kit. So I'm going to get maybe 2 journals out of these pages here. And then I printed it out. I just like to experiment with the sizes. So I printed out a smaller size too. Isn't this cute? Super cute. I already folded the pages in half. I actually printed these out double-sided. So let me show you. Here's a page. I printed it out. I already cut them out. I already cut those out too. They have a little white border. Mine do anyway. I guess they all do when you print them out. So I cut all the white borders off. And so let me just flip through this real quick so you can just see how cute these are in a smaller size. I don't remember what percentage I printed these out at because I did it a while ago and I've had it ready to go for when I was ready to do my design project. But aren't these adorable? Just so cute. So I don't know if this will be 1 or 2. There's so many here. And if I add more pages in, which I really need to add some lined paper, maybe some coffee dyed paper, and some, I don't know, other pages. I have some really neat scrapbook paper that would be good for like fall type colors. And, you know, I have some black type scrapbook paper, like patterned black. So that could go in here. And purples, you can see there's some purples in here. If I have any, I know I have some orange scrapbook paper which could go in here. So just so many options with this kit. So this might end up being 2 little ones too. So I've got that. That would be 2 little ones and 2 of the regular size. And then here's all the ephemera that I've cut out. I've backed it all on manila folder. I usually do that for my ephemera. That this is all with the kit. And I think I printed out, I printed out 2 sizes, so I've kind of got it mixed up here, but I've got the big and the little here. But, so I've got it all backed and cut out. I'm going to go through this with you. I did put 1 page on. I thought I would make journaling cards with 1 page, so I put 1 page on manila folder, and then I can cut this in half and round the corners. And, who knows, I might put some collaging or clusters on here and just make some cute little journaling cards with this. That's what you can do also with the pages. Just print them out smaller and make yourself some journaling cards. So that's an option. And then here's the ephemera. Some really cute little, look at these pumpkins, aren't they adorable? So these all can be journaling cards. They can be pockets. They can be tuck spots, just whatever you want to do with them. But that's 2 of those. Look at this one. I mean, some of these could be the front, you could sew around and do some layering and make them your front page. So who knows, I might end up doing something like that. But aren't these cute? Really, it's called Cute Retro Vintage for a reason. Because it is. So pretty colors and pretty images here. You can see I rounded the corners on this one. It was rounded corners, and then I cut it all and rounded that. Little boo. This one's pretty, a tag. Cute little, this could of course be a side tuck pocket. And I'm going to do sewing and stuff on these. I just, this is the first step, getting it all ready, and then you go on from there. But look at all these. Look at all these. Here's another big tag. Cute little girl with a black cat dress. Let's see. I'm going to try to go through these quick for you so this video doesn't get too long, but I want you to see the images. They're just so cute. I wanted to do a cute Halloween journal. I'm not really into spooky, so you could probably guess that. I'm not going to be into spooky. I'm not a spooky kind of person. But, yeah, so this is about as spooky as I'm going to get right here. A little fun, cute ghost. But here's another one. A little owl. And a little witchy bird there. But, yeah. So yeah, I'm debating on the type of cover I want. That's why I haven't started my cover yet. I don't know if I want to do like some craft cardstock, paper bag, maybe both, one of each. Here's a little corner tuck. That's going to be cute. These could make super cute little corner tucks. See, that's the smaller one. That bigger one I printed out. Where is it? I'll show you the difference. If I can find it. Here it is. Here's the bigger one. Here's the smaller one. So cute. And let's see, we're almost done. We've got this one. Here's a cute little one. Oh, look at this little tiny ghost. I looked at these already. It's like I haven't seen them before, but I did. I put them on, I backed them and cut them out. So, I've seen them before, but they're so cute. And this one. Oh, look at this little one. Isn't that adorable? And this one. So that's it. That's the kit, just in case you want to make a Halloween journal. Go to Sherry's shop, Etsy shop, Studio28E, and cut out, just download, you can buy the kit and download it and print it out and do this. Or I saw where she had the printed version where she will print it out and send it to you. So hopefully I'm telling you right, because I have seen that in her shop. I just checked it today to make sure I was seeing right. And that's how it is. So I'm going to be working on this, and I'll see you later with either today or tomorrow with my little estate sale thrifting fun. And hope you all have a good day and happy crafting, and I'll see you later. See you next time.